Starship's development has been confusing even to the biggest of SpaceX's fans. Not only has the spacecraft gone through numerous design changes, but the two-stage rocket also began life in 2012 as the Mars Colonial Transporter. The most recent Starship prototypes are all being assembled at the company's Boca Chica base. Test flights began with scaled-down models resembling water tanks that fans have affectionately dubbed the Starhopper. These prototypes flew no higher than 490 feet, 150 m, and were built as a low-altitude test vehicle. The first full-size models of the Starship were the Mk1, Mk2, Mk3 and Mk4, which introduced some tweaks to the rocket's overall design. Starship Mk3 would later be renamed the Starship Serial Number 1, or SN1. Starship's testing continued with the SN3 and SN4 models, which resembled stainless steel silos. The rockets did not feature a nosecone or side fins, and both were destroyed during failed engine tests on the launch pad. Starship SN5 was up next, and the rocket launched on a 490-foot, 150 m, test flight that was a success. SN5 was followed by another successful test flight of the Starship SN6, and both were scrapped in January and February this year, respectively. Starship SN7 was the next prototype that exploded during a pressurisation test on the 20th of June 20. A scaled-down Starship SN7.2 tank, however, was used for pressure tests. A full-scale SN8 with nosecone and fins then launched in December of that year but failed to land. SN8 was followed by the SN9 in February, the SN10 in March, and then the SN11 on the 30th of March. In January this year, it was rumored SpaceX would skip over the SN12 model after eagle-eyed fans spotted the SN15 being assembled at Boca Chica. The jump meant SpaceX would be scrapping 3 iterations, SN12, SN13 and SN14, after launching the SN11. Mr. Musk confirmed this plan after SN11's crash landing, when he said SN15 would be the next rocket to launch.